Welcome back to another Titan Fuel Tanks Tips and Tricks video. Today we will be talking about our 702-1211 60-gallon and our 702-0211 50-gallon replacement fuel tanks to fit the 2011 to 2016 Ford F-250 diesel short bed trucks. On our website, you will also find how-to videos for the disconnection of electrical and fuel line connections. A clean connection will obviously function better than a connector with dirt in it. A little spray of brake clean may help clean the dirt out of these connections. While you have the sending unit out, it's a good time to make sure that your float level is correct. This can be done by sitting the sender on a flat surface. The float should barely be touching that flat surface. Occasionally, that float arm can get bent during removal. You can make slight bends to correct that if needed. Make sure the top of the sending unit is very clean with no dirt or debris that would cause issue with the torque ring as it is tightened. When installing the fill hose and the vent line hose, be sure they are clocked in the exact same position they were when removed from the OEM tank. Otherwise, kinking of these hoses can occur. Connect the fuel lines as the tank is being lifted into position. We have found if you slightly lift the frame side of the fuel tank, it's easier to get these fuel line connections to slip on. Snap the fuel lines back into the frame rail and lift the tank the rest of the way into place. Before lowering the vehicle, it is a good practice to go through and touch each connection and bolt to ensure that they are connected and tightened as needed. Lower the vehicle and completely fill with diesel. It's always good practice when transferring fuel from an OEM tank to the Titan fuel tank to meter the fuel to be certain of the amount that is in the tank. Turning on the ignition will prime the fuel lines. Listen to the pump to verify the lines are connected properly. If connected properly, start the vehicle. Thanks for joining us for another Titan Fuel Tanks Tips and Tricks video. You've now doubled your fuel range and we're excited to see you out on the road.